Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the Minimum Markets Breakdown Analysis for Wednesday the 8th of March 2023. We'll be breaking down the chart and show you the exact zones where price could close above for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the previous daily candle closing strong bearish, respecting the daily resistance formed on Monday the 6th of March and breaking below this daily support formed on Friday the 3rd of March. Now what's interesting about this is when you look on weekly, the weekly is almost tapping into this previous recent weekly support. But then on a monthly, it looks like we formed the top wick. Obviously, we formed monthly resistance on February, respected this monthly resistance formed on April 2022. So the probability of price to retest this previous monthly low and continue bearish is extremely high. I mean, obviously, we're not saying it's going to tap 1630 straight away or 1635. But we do have some targets on the weekly time frame or like the daily time frame as well. So now dropping down to the daily time frame. Now on the 4 hour, we have the most recent 4 hour resistance all the way to 1848 400. Our most recent 4 hour support is 1810 200. So that support actually lines up with the daily support in here. So that's interesting. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we have the most recent 1 hour resistance at 1820 400. We have this hourly support, but obviously it's getting broken now, but we have this previous 1 hour support around 1809. Dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, and we have this 30-minute resistance around 1821 100. Probably is the same level of support on the left, and then on the 15-minute time frame we have this 15-minute resistance around 1821 800. So I'd say possibly to look for buys, I'd say possibly if price break and close above 1820 400. And for sells, however, I know we do have this as a big range to say as a no trade zone, for example, but the problem is to look for sells on the break of the previous daily low is difficult because you have this daily support around 1811, so that's roughly around like 22 pips where we've had a big move on the previous daily candle. And then on the 4 hour time frame is also this 4 hour support as well. So this is going to be the no trade zone area. Just going to highlight it this way. Now to look for targets, going back to the daily. So we have this previous daily support, the retracement, it's massive if we looked like this, but dropping down to the 4 hour time frame, what we can see is we've got this clean traffic on the left, but we can't ignore this support on the 4 hour time frame around 1826 500. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we have clean traffic on the left, recent traffic, but again we have this messy range on the hourly time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, it's clean traffic. So I'd say the first target for buys would be 1826 500, targeting this previous 4 hour support. The second target for buys, we have this 30-minute resistance, but we also have this 15-minute resistance around 1831 or 1832. So that would be our second target. Now to look for sells, going back to the weekly. So we have this previous weekly resistance around 1798 200. Dropping down to the daily, we have this daily support around 1809 1803, or actually 1804 I would say. And then dropping down to the 4 hour time frame, I believe that is a 4 hour support as well. Yeah. And then on the hourly, I think it's going to get messy because of how the 4 hour time frame looked on the left. Let's have a look. Maybe I've missed it. I do apologize about that. Let's go back to the 4 hour and just look at the date. And that was from the 28th of December. Just filter in that way. Hourly. Yeah, we have this hourly support. So the first target for sells would be the daily support formed on the 29th of December. The second target for sells would be this previous weekly resistance around 17.98 200.